this episode, we're going to crush some more, and do even more crushing. This is Mighty Jobs, powered by Volvo Penta. So, where am I?
I'm on an island that has served as a shooting location in the popular TV series Game of Thrones, and they play a lot of rugby here. We are on Ireland, of course, and here for one reason alone, to learn all there is to know about this Volvo Penta-powered McCloskey Jaw Crusher. Gary, who's done a fair amount of crushing in his lifetime, is helping us out today. Also, stay tuned for a Will It Crush challenge.
So what happens if it's too big?
Well, we'll see in a minute if it's too big.
Welcome to the G&G Ross family-owned Ballycastle Quarry. On this 32-acre property, around 20,000 tons of material is processed a month.
The material produced here is known as igneous basalt. In simpler terms, old solidified lava. When it comes to the basalt found here, it's 5 million years older than standard basalt, which qualifies it to be used for manufacturing high-quality concrete.
So this rock is likely to end up as an important ingredient in the foundation of someone's new home. Okay, so what are we doing here?
We're going to load the crusher here, preferably not blocking it.
So you have to make sure that the rocks you pick aren't too big to fit through the crusher.
Yes. And if it goes into my bucket, it'll go into the crusher.
The crusher gets its power from a D13 Volvo Penta engine, putting out 510 horsepower with 2,540 newton meters of torque. When the jaws compress, they generate a crushing force of 400,000 kgf.
That means that the force generated by this machine is equivalent to the force needed to lift 400 tons. Let's put all that power to the test. Okay, so me and Gary are gonna go on a rock hunt to test out just what this crusher is capable of doing. So this is not the normal way of doing things, but just because we can. That's a good size.
All right there for you.
Pretty big. Almost the same size as the bucket. Dropping it in. What do you think?
Oh, I'll go.
Okay, let's see what happens.
I'll either go through here or block.
Okay, dropped in there. Well, that's quick. Okay, that one was no trouble at all. On a previous work site, this very crusher handled about 1,900 tons of rock per day. And over the course of the year, it crushed approximately 437,000 tons. That equals about 20,000 truckloads and a lot of construction material. Do you think this one's gonna be any struggle at all?
This is just about the max.
Okay, we're trying the max rock size. Just fits in the bucket. That was a big thud. Looks like it's struggling a little. Let's see what happens.
Has to fall in the right way. There it goes.
Okay.
There it goes.
No big deal.
We get another one.
Yeah, let's try an even bigger one. What's the worst that can happen? Oh, that's a giant.
This will be interesting.
Interesting. Dropping it in. Oh, it looks like Gary's using some strategy here. Oh, something's happening. It sounds serious.
We'll maybe help this one.
Okay, we might need to give a little helping hand. Who's gonna win? Oh, okay. Just had to give a little nudge.
A wee bit of jumping persuasion.
Okay, it's in there. Now it's coming too fast. Okay, the crusher wins. Good job. We came, we crushed, we destroyed, and we crushed some more. What a perfect way to work through your frustrations. These guys and their machines do an important job of providing us with construction material for our homes, workplaces, roads, and so much more. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Mighty Jobs. See you next time. Remember that rock that was giving us so much trouble?
Yes.
Crushing challenge complete.